Hey guys, what is up? And welcome to Simran Nick channel with a brand new episode with me, Simran. I know a lot of you all are stressed out just because of your school and then homework, then exams and results, as well as with your own problems and then other work. And if that's the case for you, then practicing self-care routine and de-stressing should be priority in your life. So I decided to do a self-care routine, and now these things I usually do when I'm not feeling like studying or doing my work any longer, because it helps me feel calm, relax, and when I come back to work I'm all set to work with all my putting all my 100% in it. So yes, that's a really good practice which I do and which you should also do. And as you guys can see that today's video is all about lifestyle, which concludes that I'm still struggling with my channel's niche. But you guys don't have to worry about it. I'll fix it, I'll finalize it as soon as possible for me. And you guys just have to enjoy the video and comment your feedbacks in the comments. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first thing what I like to do for de-stressing myself and a self-care routine is breathing exercise. I normally do full yoga for 1 hour, but when it comes to de-stressing and self-care routine, I always prefer starting with 10 minutes breathing exercise. But before doing that, I like to keep one plant next to me because it makes me feel little fresh, and then put on my earphones with a soft instrumental song. So I play the song over here for myself. And then let's start with the exercise. Regulate the breathing and thereby control your mind. Now then I'm done with my breathing exercise. Let's move on to our second thing. Now then I'm done with my breathing exercise. The second thing which I do is I go for comedy content. Now this comedy content can be anything. I may watch a video on YouTube or reels on Instagram, or I may go for a movie or an episode of any particular series if I'm watching series. And I specifically look for comedy content. That's because my brain is already stressed out, it can't take anything extra. So that's the reason I go for comedy content, because if I go for crime and mysterious or anything which is like fighting, my brain can't take it. So yeah, and today I have planned that I'll watch Ice Age 5, and I know it's a quite old one, but still I wanna watch that, and I don't remember if I have seen it or no. If I haven't, that's my bad. I'll see it today itself, and if I have seen, then that's a good thing, and I actually don't remember what it is in Ice Age 5, so that's a good thing for me. So yeah, I'll see you after the movie. Bye bye. Now our third thing is drawing. Drawing is my favorite work to do when I'm de-stressing myself, and it totally depends what I'm gonna do, because sometimes I feel like doing drawing and sometimes I like doing calligraphy. But today I'll be doing drawing, and I have two drawings with me which I'm gonna combine together. So the drawings are, one is this and another one is this. I don't know if you can see. I'll put a picture over here. So without wasting time, let's start with our drawing. It's not visible right now, but I'll show you when it is complete. So let's start painting. I do these things because it's fun and entertaining, but I suspect there's something deeper going on. Because when I create, I feel like it clears my head, it helps me make sense of my emotions, and it somehow makes me feel calmer and more relaxed. So as you can see, my half of the drawing is complete and the remaining is like I have to fill the background. So let's do that. For filling my background, I'm gonna use blue color. So this is the final look of our drawing. This is what I created and I'm quite happy and satisfied with it. And if you guys didn't understand what it is, let me tell you. So this is the sky. The blue color is depicting the sky, and this is the moon, and this is the bird. Go and check it out how it looks. I'll put the picture somewhere here because I think it's not clearly visible for you. Anyways, let's hop on to our next thing, what I usually do. Self-care. Self-care for me doesn't always mean taking care of my skin, but it also means that I have to spend time with myself. I have to make myself calm, make myself feel relaxed. That's what self-care means to me. And after this whole routine, after following this a long process, I would like to end my, and I always end my self-care routine and de-stressing routine with a good sleep. So sleep is really important, as you all know. It basically helps avoid dark circles, right? No one wants a dark circles on their face. So yes, and as you can see, I'm in my pajamas, so I'll also catch up with my beauty sleep. But before going for my beauty sleep, I wanna know, if you guys want me to give shout out to you, then please mention it in the comments. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification.